Hello students, let us continue exercise 5, question 3. Ramesh invested rupees 5,000 for 4 years at 4% per annum. How much interest will he get after 4 years? So students, in this question, invested rupees is 5,000. It is principal, time is 4 years and 4% is interest. So using this, we will find out interest of 4 years. Answer 3. Here, principal is given rupees 5,000, rate 4% and time 4 years. Let us find out simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 5,000 principal, rate 4%, so 4, time 4 years, so 4 upon 100. Now students, 0, 0, 0, 0 cut. What is left? 4 into 4 into 50. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 50 is equal to 800. So rupees 800 is the simple interest. Hence, Ramesh will get rupees 800 as interest. Okay. Next, question 4. Mrs. Mahapatra deposited rupees 48,000 in a bank for 5 years. If the bank paid interest at the rate of 8% per annum, how much amount will Mrs. Mahapatra get back after 5 years? So students, deposited money is 48,000. It is principal, time 5 years and rate of interest is 8%. So now we will find out amount which will Mrs. Mahapatra get back after 5 years. Let us find it. Answer 4. Here, rupees 48,000 principal, rate 8% per annum and time 5 years. Let us find out simple interest, because if we want to find out amount, we need simple interest, is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is equal to 48,000, rate of interest 8, time 5 years upon 100 is equal to rupees 19,200. Now how is it possible? 0, 0, 0, 0 cut. 8 5s are 40. 40 multiply 48 is equal to 1,920 and put 0 of 480 at the right side of 1,920. So in this way, we will get simple interest rupees 19,200. Now students, we want to find out amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So rupees 48,000 is principal given plus simple interest we have find out 19,200. Addition between these two numbers, rupees 60,200. So hence, Mrs. Mahapatra will get rupees 67,200 after 5 years. Next, question 5. Aditya borrowed rupees 21,000 for 8 months at 12.5% per annum. How much amount should he pay back to clear his debt? Okay students, 21,000 is principal, 8 months is timing and 12.5% per annum is the rate of interest. So using this, we will find out amount which Aditya has to clear his debt. Answer 5. Here, principal is rupees 21,000, rate of interest 12.5% is equal to 25 upon 2%. It is mixed fraction, convert into improper. 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 upon 2% per annum. Timing 8 months. So first of all, convert it into year. So 8 upon 12 year. Now simple interest, P into R into T, right? So principal is 21,000, rate is 25 upon 2. Yes students, 2 is in denominator, so write down in denominator only. 25 upon 2. Multiply 8 and 12 is in denominator, so write down in denominator 12. In this way we have to arrange the numbers. Now 0 0 0 0 cut. Now students, here is 12 and here is 2. 4 2s are 8, right? 2 2 cut. Now 12 is left and here 210 and 25 is given. Now students, here is 12, right? So take the factors of 12, prime factors. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12, okay? Now 210 is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 105 multiply 2 is equal to 210. 25 write down as it is, because no need to take factors of 25, because in denominator 5 is not there. Here is left 4. 2 2s are 4. Take the factors of 4. Now students, 2 2 cut, okay? Left 3. 105 is divisible by 3. Take the factors of 105. 35 3s are 105. 3 3 cut. Now students, what is left? 35, 2 and 25, right? So 25 2s are 50 and 50 multiply 35, we will get 1750. So simple interest is 1750. Now we want to find out amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal is given to us 21,000 plus simple interest is 1750 and amount is 21,000. So addition between these two numbers, we will get amount rupees 22,750. Hence Aditya will pay rupees 22,750 to clear his debt. In this way you have to solve this sums. Now students, next review exercise. Question 1. Convert each of the following into percentage. So students, A 2 upon 5, B 21 upon 20. These all sums you have to convert it into percentage. And how it is possible? So first of all, if we multiply 100% with 2 upon 5, we will get an answer in percentage. Here is 100, right? So 25 are 100, 5 cut. What is left? 20 multiply 2, 40. So 40 is percentage. So students, in this way you have to find out percentage. Now students, question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cancel. Next, question 7. Mohan borrowed rupees 36,000 from a bank for 8 months at 10% per annum and find the interest he will pay. So students, we have completed this type of sums in exercise 5. So using that method, you have to solve this. Now, cancel question 8. So students, in this way you have to solve this review exercise. I hope you understood it. Thanks.